Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I have a unboxing of the Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. But before I start opening it, I have a confession. So when I got I missed the July box or the kit of the month. So this is my first kit in several months. And so when it came in the mail, I was so excited that I forgot that I was going to do an unboxing. And I opened it and looked at it. So that's my confession today, is that I've already looked at it, but hopefully you all will forgive me because I'm still going to show it to you, and it's absolutely adorable. You can see here where I was so excited I just ripped it open. But it is an adorable kit. So let's just start opening it. So it does come wrapped up in the paper, and it's not ripped up like that, but you know, I got excited. So hopefully you'll be excited to see this as well. Put tissue paper aside. So let's take a look and see what's in here. So I don't think I was supposed to show that card because it does have a coupon code off for your 10% off your next non-subscription order. So I'm gonna have to cut that out of the video. So there was a card in here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna cut it out, but it does come a little postcard with the discount. So sorry about that. I am a mess today, absolute mess. Okay, so in this, well, first off, you get this really cool bag to keep all of your stuff in. That's what I love about these kits too. And so I just keep each month's kit in this, and when I want something out of it, I get it out and then I just put it back in here. So this month's theme says, let's get groovy. First off, you have the Groovy Meadow stamp. And if you'll hold on in just a few minutes, I will, at the end of this video, we will stamp all these out so you can easily see what all it says and what it looks like, because it's really cool. It's just hard to show up on camera, especially with this glare. But I can see if I can take it out. But it's still on plastic here, so yeah, it's not going to be easy to see. But it has the Groovy Meadow, and then it has some sunglasses with the peace sign. It has a, oh my goodness, my son had one of these. Lava lamp. And then there's just like a little bubble there and a flower. You got flower sunglasses and then a little mushroom. I love little mushrooms, so we're gonna have fun with this one. So then the second stamp set that comes in this kit is, let's see what it's called first. It's called Road Trippin'. And it has the little what do you call that, Volkswagen van? And then it has little animals to be in it, like a kitten. Oh goodness, we're gonna stamp these so you can see them. A kitten and a dog and another cat and another little dog. It says Far Out, and it also has the flowers. It says Groovy Vibes Only, Take It Easy, and Stay Golden. And so we're gonna stamp that out in just a moment. So I'll talk about that in just a second too, what this is. Let's look at the rest of the kit first. So this is what comes in your kit. So you have a paper pack that comes in your kit as well. And another cool thing about Crafty Stamp Co. is when you order paper from them, let me see if I can get this open, they always send one of these sleeves. So let me get it out. So you have this sleeve that you can put your paper in. So see the papers, they're not glued together or anything. I like that because you don't have to mess up and tear them. But then you have a sleeve when you get done. And what I love about these sleeves too is you can put your scraps down in here so you don't lose your scraps and you can use them. So let's take a look at this paper pad real quick. I love the colors, the pinks and the rainbow colors. So this one's called Let's Get Groovy. And you get 4 each of 12 designs. So there's 24 double-sided cardstock, 6x6 cardstocks in here. I love that design. And then you got the peace sign. So this is kind of like the lava lamp, what goes on inside of it. And then you've got this little groovy paper. Isn't that pretty? And then on the back side, it's pink. Okay, and hopefully my lighting is good enough in here. Also, you have the peace sign in yellow and white. And then it's kind of an orange on the back. Ooh, look at this one. That's very pretty. I love those flowers in the kind of not really a rainbow, but the colors that's there. It's very groovy. I do like that. Kind of 70s style. Then you have more peace signs in the orange. Kind of an orange, it's not a bright orange. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's a good orange though. And then you have your lava lamps, and I love that they're gray on there. Ooh, look at this one. Kind of psychedelic, huh? And then you've got groovy, peace, love. And you got your peace signs and your happy smiley faces. And I think that's all of them. So that is some bright, colorful paper. I'm excited to give that a try. And let's just stick that in there. And then you also get a stencil. And so this stencil is called the Mid-Century Modern Shapes. Now with this kit, you can't get these pieces individually. You have to buy it as a kit. Well, I guess you can see that. I don't need to get it out. You have to buy it as a kit. And these stamp sets and papers and stencils, it'll be either 6 months to a year before they will be available in the shop, if they are ever available in the shop. It just really depends on how popular they were, I think. So if you want anything you see here, then it's best to just go ahead and get the kit during the pre-order. So the pre-order starts on August 1st and ends on August 15th. After the 15th, you can't get the kit. So then you'll just have to wait 6 months to a year to see if any of these items become available in the store. Okay, now let's talk about this. Here is some really pretty sprinkles that you can make shaker cards or just to embellish your cards. There's flowers in there. There's different sequins, and all of it seems to match the paper. It's very pretty. So this only comes in your kit if you are a subscriber, meaning that you signed up for 3 months or more for for your subscription. If you just buy this kit as a one-off kit, like just because you can't just buy a one-time purchase. If you do that, then you'll get all the stuff I showed you in the kit except for this. So this is for subscribers only. Be sure to just read the description on the page. I will link to the website and to the page where this kit is available. Just be sure to read everything in the description so you know what you're getting. So I'm going to set that aside. So let's put, well, I'm going to actually put everything back in the bag except for the stamps. And let's go ahead and let's stamp out these stamps. So I went ahead and stamped out all of the images, and I'm going to spare you seeing me stamp them out because it did take a little while and it was quite boring to watch. So I've gone ahead and stamped out the Groovy Meadow stamp set. It says, "Stay groovy, just smashing, baby. You're my sunshine and Superfly." And then you have all the little images and meadow there. And then for this one, this stamp is really large. So for me, I sometimes struggle with larger stamps. So what I did for this one is, this is 110 pound paper. So when I put it in my stamping platform, I layered 2 sheets so that it had like a shim underneath to help me stamp it. And then it stamped out just fine. I think it would depend on what kind of platform you have. For me, I struggle with mine. I'm thinking about getting a different one, but that's for another video. Okay, so then there is the little dog, well, the cat, dog, and cat that goes along with the van. You've got your little flower and your peace symbol. And then this one, when I was stamping, I messed up, so I restamped it here. It says, "Take it easy, far out, groovy vibes only, and stay golden." So hopefully you will come back here to my channel over the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be playing with this kit and doing some projects with it. So hopefully you'll come back and join me and see what I create with it. Hopefully I can give you some inspiration if you have ordered the kit or if you do plan to order the kit. Now I will link below to this kit. It is my affiliate link. It does help out my channel when you use my affiliate link, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. And thank you to everyone that is using my affiliate links. That really helps me out. Well, I hope that you will once again come back and check out what I create with this kit. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.